Beyond its primary function of wrapping food, aluminum foil offers a myriad of creative applications that can aid preppers in dealing with the challenges of the wilderness or just unexpected emergencies. So we're going to look at a number of examples of the versatility of aluminum foil, many that you probably may not have thought of, and why it is a must-have in any survival kit or stockpile. First of all, it's important to remember, when cleaned and sanitized, aluminum foil is reusable, which minimizes waste and conserves resources in survival settings. Keeping things dry. Wrap small items like food or matches in aluminum foil multiple times to keep them dry, especially in wet conditions. Cooking food. Cook food by wrapping it in foil with the seasoning and placing it over a fire or a hot set of coals. Alternatively, fashion a cooking pan by wrapping a forked branch with foil to cook on. Create a solar oven. Construct a solar oven using basic materials and foil to cook food effectively using sunlight. Wind blocker. Shield flames from wind interference by erecting a foil barrier, which is ideal for burner stoves or small fires. Emergency medical applications. Rolled or folded aluminum foil can serve as splints or braces for immobilizing injured limbs in emergency medical situations. When you combine it with bandages or gauze, aluminum foil can help retain heat or cold therapy for treating injuries. Catching fish. Take a small piece of aluminum foil and wrap it around the hook or the weights. The reflective surface attracts fish by bouncing light off the foil. Starting a fire. Utilize cotton, a battery, and foil to create a flame for starting fires efficiently. Protecting your hands. Prevent hot wax from dripping onto your skin by crafting a foil cup around a burning candle to catch the wax. Collecting rainwater. Form a bowl from foil to collect rainwater, channeling it into a bucket for efficient water collection. Boil water. Line a hole with foil, fill it with water, and heat rocks in a fire before transferring them into the water to boil it. Make a funnel. Craft a makeshift funnel by layering foil and shaping it around a stick to create a spout. Make plateware. Mold cups, bowls, plates, and spoons from layers of foil for convenient eating utensils. Scrubbing pots and pans. Create a foil ball to scrub dirty pots and pans, avoiding non-stick surfaces to prevent damage. Fix loose batteries. Restore battery connections by placing a folded piece of foil between the battery and the loose spring. Enhance antennas. Improve TV or radio reception by wrapping foil around antenna ends for better signal quality. Sharpen scissors. Fold and cut the foil repeatedly to sharpen scissors for precise cutting. Signal for help. Use foil's reflective surface to create a visible signal for attracting assistance in emergencies. Find your way at night. Hang foil strips at eye level along paths to act as reflectors and aid navigation in the dark. Emergency repairs. Aluminum foil acts as a versatile patching material to temporarily seal leaks or punctures in tents, clothing, or gear. Gardening and agriculture. Aluminum foil deters pests and critters when placed around plants or garden beds, safeguarding those precious crops. Reflective surfaces can enhance sunlight distribution, promoting plant growth in indoor or outdoor gardening setups. Aluminum foil emerges as an amazing tool in the arsenal of survivalists and those prepping for SHTF, offering unparalleled versatility and ingenuity in the face of adversity. From cooking meals over campfires to fashioning emergency shelters and signaling for help, its myriad applications underscore its status as a survivalist essential companion. Moreover, the ability to wash and reuse aluminum foil exemplifies its sustainability and resourcefulness, further enhancing its value in preparedness and resilience building efforts.